What's up, guys? Will H, and today we are going to be unboxing my Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. So I picked that up along with the purchase of my new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. I'm doing a trade-in on my Watch 6 Classic. They're going to give me $250 for this. Now, mind you, I bought this from Amazon Renewed for $127, I think, a couple of months ago. So giving me $250, feel like that's a win. But here's the packaging that it comes in. Now I'm just going to put some of the specs on the display here so you guys can check that out. But by now you probably seen a bunch of videos with the specs already. So let's go ahead and get this open. Basically just introducing this to the channel and looking forward to it. The Watch 6 Classic has been great. I've never bought the Ultra, but here it is. So I thought I ordered the black one, but this is not sure if this is the black one or not. It's not on the box, but I do like it. Here it is. Whatever color, I forgot what I ordered. Maybe this is the black one. But anyway, here it is. So let's go around the watch. So like I said earlier, you got a rotating bezel here. That's very nice, where you can move through your different tiles and stuff like that. You do have some numbers going around there, make it look very elegant, classy. Ridges going around the bezel as well, so it make it easy to grip. You got two buttons here. One will take you home. The other one, you can program that one for different things. And I think this one is programmable as well. That's a new button right there, action button, I think it's called. This is where your strap goes, your band. You got two speakers there, or a speaker and a microphone. This is where your other band goes. And then on the bottom, you got your sensors, different things there, maybe a mic or two under there as well. Has a nice heft to it, and it looks very nice. Can't wait to use that. So gonna see what else is in the packaging. I haven't watched a lot of unboxings on this, so I'm not sure where stuff is stored in here, so don't know if anything's in that part. But you get some instructions here on how to put the band on, and here's the band here. Let's get that out, and let's see if anything else is in here. Like I said, I haven't watched any unboxings, anything like that, so not sure what a charging cable is or anything like that. Let's go ahead and get this box open. So they do have pull tabs, so that's a good thing. So get that pulled, and I think I got just the basic black band. I'm planning on getting some more bands. So put that over to the side. You get some more instructions here as well. And then here's the band right here. So let's go ahead and get this paper off of it. There it is. So here's the band. Basic band, I guess, right here. And I am trying to find the charging cable. So let's check the box again. Maybe I overlooked it. Excited. And let's see. Yeah, there's another box in here. Yeah, here it is. So this is going to be your charging cable here. And what else is in there? Anything else in there? Yeah, you get some more paperwork in here, quick start guide and stuff like that. But here's the charging cable. Right here, pretty much the same. This is going to be Type-C to look like the same charging cable as from years ago. So yeah, let's wrap this up over here. All right, so here's the watch. So let's go ahead and put the watch band on. Let's go ahead and get this loose here. So short piece is going to go up towards the top. Now, I'm not familiar with this band here. It should be similar to the other one there. There's a little button right here. Not sure if you need to push this button to lock it in or not. I have clumsy fat fingers, so let's see how this goes. I think I got it locked in. Let's do the other side. And I am planning on replacing this band with something else. So there it is. Yeah, so that looks pretty nice right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and get this booted up and get it connected to my phone, and we'll come right back. Okay, guys, so here's the Watch 8 Classic on my wrist. It does have a flatter fit on the wrist, but it sits up just as high. And this is the watch face out of the box right here. Very nice watch face. Definitely planning on replacing the band. Now, I have a 7¼ inch wrist, so you guys get a chance to see what this look like. Now, I do kind of like the 6 a little bit better. This one I have to grow on me, but here it is right here. Very nice. And then I do have it connected to my phone. Let's go ahead and get into the phone. And here's the watch app right here. Pretty much like if you've had a Samsung watch before, it's the same app, the Galaxy Wear app, where you can go in and change your watch faces, add apps and things like that, tiles. So that is pretty much it, but this is mainly just an unboxing. I'm going to come back and talk about my experience with this in a few days. So catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.